guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm not even gonna bother and talk about like why I was not there. It's just I'm sorry I missed three videos I think, yeah. But anyways, today it's an amazing day for me because today I launched my online store in skincare line store. So I have been working on it for a really long time, and yeah, I finally did it. So if you all want, you all can go check that out. I have lip glosses, I have lip scrubs and body scrubs and facial oils, and trust me, it is amazing. Now I personally use them a lot. How it all panned out was basically I personally used to make that for myself because out of need. So I used to need a lip scrub, and then I used to figure out how to make a lip scrub, gather all those ingredients, gather all the oils and make it myself. Because that's just the kind of person I am, and I have been since like I was a kid. So and eventually I really started loving it. I just liked the idea of it, and yeah, well, here we are. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling y'all and showing y'all my products, and I'm going to be using them so y'all can see and maybe buy them. If you buy them, it would really mean a lot to me. So the first thing I want to show y'all is this body scrub. Now this is a body and it smells, oh my god, this smells just like mango. That's amazing. So this is the first product which I want to talk about. It is extremely good for your body. Do not apply this on your face. It's only for your body, so your feet, your elbows, your palms. They get really dry, right? And if you use this scrub just like thrice a week, your body is going to be so soft, not even kidding. So this basically has an exfoliator, and it has like a lot of essential oils which are really good for your body, and they keep you nourished and moisturized, and they just benefit your skin. So that's the first product which I have in my shop in case you all want to go check it out. Obviously I won't be able to use this on my body and show you all right now. Now this is something I genuinely love to use, and that is this. These are lip scrubs. Again, it's got an exfoliator, oils, fragrances, all of that. So this one is in the flavor bubblegum, and that's what it looks like. And this is in the flavor mango, which again smells amazing. Now I'm going to be using this one, which is bubblegum, because I just love this smell, and it tastes yummy too, so that's a plus. Now at least my lips, they get really chapped, and I love lip balms. I always keep applying lip balms, but my lips always end up getting dry, and this is the solution for that, trust me, not even kidding. So you want to take some scrub on your hand, on your fingers, and just apply that on your lips, and then just scrub your lips. And then just wipe off all the scrub. Now as you can see, instantly my lips look much more pinker and much more softer than what they were, right? So we're done with the scrub. I have two lip glosses with me right now. So the first one is this, which is Embrace. It is all over my Instagram if you all want to go check this out. This is what I personally love so much. And this one right here, it's a mauve pink, very pastel color, and this is called Pixie Dust. So I love this shade, and so I'm going to be using this shade, but I will show you all this shade as well. So first let me apply my favorite shade. Now I'm going to apply this. Now as you can see, this looks extremely natural, which is why I love this shade Embrace. If you want yours, get now, because this is selling out quickly. So I have this on my Instagram. If you want this, please let me know on Instagram or go onto my website, it'll be there as well. But yeah, this is Embrace, such a pretty color, and it gives a very natural tint to your lips. You don't need to apply any lipstick underneath this, just apply this as it is on your lips and you're good to go. Now let me show you this Pixie Dust. It's a very beautiful color again, and that's what it looks like. It's looking much lighter on camera, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And let me use this one and show you guys how this looks. And this is the shade. It looks very natural again, but this has more of a pink undertone and it gives you a very pink lip sort of a look, whereas this one gives you a more red and that kind of look. I mean obviously you all just saw it. So that's the lip gloss. So if you all want to buy, let me know on Instagram or go on the website and buy it from there, whatever you all prefer. But yeah, that's it for the video, guys. I just wanted to let all of you all know about this brand, and yeah, if you like it, please support me. Go on my Instagram, buy whatever you like. I am sure you will not be disappointed. I can guarantee you that. And yeah, that is it for the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and tomorrow I will see you all again with another video. So yep, bye bye.